Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add a fixed position for an element or website element on a page you edit and create in the Framer website editor. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the website editor, access your website project, select the page in the top left, and next let me, for example, go with the text box here. Left click into it, and these elements, guys, will give you access to that sidebar here on the right hand side. And under position, you will see the position type. And there are 4 different types of position: absolute, relative, fixed, and sticky. So you can choose a fixed it position, and that is going, for example, to position it in the given area here, and any other elements or components will need to find the way around it, because this element will have a fixed position. So it's not relative to the header, it's not absolute, and yeah, but you can of course switch to any other of these. And relative, for example, would position it relative to, I don't know, if this case, I guess that's the section here. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.